To make direct eye contact with your audience, look at the lens, not at the screen, but it can be so challenging to remember to do that when you're live, particularly when you're new to making video or being in online meetings. So what you need is a quick, easy way to remind you to make sure that you look at that lens, and that's what I've got for you today. For more video tips, and to find out some great stuff I've got coming up for you, if you're on Facebook, go to @helo.video, click like and follow the page. And if you're on LinkedIn, click on my name and let's connect. Why do we find it so difficult to look at the lens and not the screen? 55% of a message is actually conveyed through body language and face. So our brains are hardwired. If there is a face there, our brains are hardwired to look at it, even if it's our own. And it can be really challenging at times of anxiety and stress, as you have when you are making live videos or you are speaking live in meetings, particularly when you're new to it. Times of high stress, the things that we are told just disappear out of our brains. It's like when a plane crashes and all of those people grab their bags and their shoes, even though they've been told not to. It's an automatic reaction. And that's what's happening to you when you are making a video. There is a little bit of stress, a little bit of anxiety, and the natural urge is to look at the screen. So what we need is an easy way to make sure we look at the lens and not at the screen, and that's what I've got for you. And remember, for more video tips and to find out some great stuff I've got coming up, if you're on Facebook, go to @helo.video, click like and follow. And if you're on LinkedIn, click on my name and let's connect. Ultimately, we need to rewire our brain to make sure that we always look at the lens. But in the short term, we need something else. And what I've got for you right now is a tip that is going to make sure that you can only look at the lens, and therefore you can relax and just get comfortable about being on camera, about recording those videos and being in online meetings without worrying about, I must remember to look at the lens. Smartphone, post-it note, cover the screen. Mark where your lens is so you know where to look, and you're good to go. Whether it's a desktop, a laptop, a MacBook, a tablet or a smartphone, cover the screen and mark where the lens is. And that way you know where to look and you won't get distracted. So there you have it. Quick, easy, simple, something that you can do and then forget about. Just cover your screen. To be one of the first to get more great tips and to find out some exciting stuff that I've got coming up. If you're on Facebook, go to @helo.video, like and follow the page. And if you're on LinkedIn, click on my name and let's connect. Until I speak to you again, stay well, take good care of yourself, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.